Hi guys, today I'm gonna open a package from Mandarake store, and this is a second-hand Kos-Mos. It's a Xenosaga Dollfie Dream, um, Dollfie Dream, yeah, SD size. So I believe this is version number 4, and they have been previous versions. That's why I guess number 4, and I think it's been made in 2017. I might be wrong, and that I was hunting for a long time for this particular sculpt. I like the sculpt. I don't care about the body much, but the sculpt is not like anime. That's what I like about it. So customized, so I paid 68,000 yen for this doll, and plus the customs to the UK was £31 and 2 pence. So oops. So it comes with the, well, I think it's a full set. So it's got the second hand, this full set, and it has got all the uniforms. I don't think there's any staining in there. It's a big box. So there's a Kos-Mos Dollfie Dream version 4. Like I said, I wanted this doll for a long time, and I did look on the Mandarake for a while, and this was a decent price. So usually they go for like 190 to 100, and this was, like I said, 68, so it's not too bad. Let's have a look. Let's just, oh, okay. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. So Mandarake usually over exaggerate the condition, saying it's not as good condition, but what I find, this is not the case. Usually it's pretty decent, even second hand, and the staining should be quite mild. Okay, so let's have a look what it comes with. I don't know much about the Xenosaga, but I read about it on the internet, and it's quite a complex story behind it, about the whole kind of world and so on. And this doll, well, this character is supposed to be a robot, or like bionic woman, or something like that. So I guess this is gonna be I mean, the condition is good. The smell is a bit plasticky, but expected. I can't read what it says in there. Oh, 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 oh. I think it's the face, something to do with the face, maybe. I don't know. I'm not planning to dress her up as the character, because I just plan to, I just like the sculpt, so no idea what's gonna be, just normal doll. I just want to see what she comes with. The good is it's white, so it's not gonna stain the vinyl. If this is gonna stain the vinyl. I've seen quite stained doll like this. I think it's due to these stockings. So yeah, it's just interesting to see what's the uniform she comes with. Okay, let's have a look. Wow, I don't think it's been ever used. Looks like brand new. Wow. Like I said, I'm not gonna dress her up in this. I just have no clue where to start even. But it looks so cool. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's magnet. Magnet? Maybe not. Well, like I said, oh, this is shoes, isn't it? Oh, this is shoes. And this one, so you have to swap the feet. So the foot goes in here. Well, it's, I guess it looks like the woman. Well, the robot even. The chest plate, maybe wrong, or maybe not the chest plate. I guess you have to look at the pictures, but on the bottom layer, the bottom level, this is her weapons, I think, and you can swap the hands. I like different gestures. Well, this looks similar to me, but there is a grip, I think. Yeah. Okay, so that's similar one. Again, this needs to be, I mean, too many things, and I really don't know where to start with this, so I'm not gonna even try. But this looks brand new. I don't think it's been entertained before. Oof, wow. Oh yeah, this. I'm not gonna speculate. I guess that's the her weapon. Oops. I don't know how to put back now. Anyway, something like this. All right, let's have a look at the doll. This sculpt is gorgeous. I love this one. So cute. I think it says it was stained somewhere, but again, this is hardly visible. It's not even stained, like a scratch on here. But other than that, I can't see anything. I mean, I don't think it should be taken out of the box either. Because, but the body is exactly the same as the Dollfie Dream Kos-Mos, which I already got. I think it's the same. Yeah, so I wasn't really keen, but I liked it. She comes with a black hand, which is quite nice. Let me just put some clothes on her, which I prepared. So I made the dress and the sleeves, and I made the protective clothes as well to protect from the stain on the fabric, because I stained with this light fabric the Angela Figlia doll before, so I don't want to risk that one. Therefore, put this on, and hopefully it will prevent this staining. Oops. Wait. Let's do this one for now. I've got a very patient camera woman today again helping me. It's so that it should fit, because I tried this dress on a Dollfie, another one, Actually, show you other Dollfie Dream, which this sculpt is very similar to, I think, but still a bit different. So I hope it's gonna fit with this clothes on now. Oops. Apologies for the noises. It's my cat breathing. He's watching and he's crawling in. Right, so that's that. Let's return the runs. Is it right? Yeah. Right, so sleeves. Yeah. Kind of like that. And let's use the wig from the set, and I'll show you the pictures what's supposed to be wearing. Oops. That's Dollfie Dream wig's not the best. The reason she got such a funky hair here is because she's supposed to wear the headpiece like that here. So that's her outfit gonna be for now. And while we're on it, I want to compare these sculpts with Alma. Are they similar? Oh, it's got different nose. This is more blunt and this is more perky, I think. But otherwise, they're kind of similar-ish. Right. And what we're gonna show is forgot now. What's supposed to show? So that's our instruction. Got all the details and gives you instruction how to put it together. Like I said, here you need to remove the feet and put the socks on, and you put the shoes on. It's quite complicated. Not complicated, but cute, like cumbersome a little bit. And then on the back, got the chest plates, all the things attached, and gosh, too much. It's very comprehensive, I would say. So, and as I said, she's got funny hair in there because of this headpiece. I mean, I'm really pleased. I think it was a bargain for this collectible. And I said, I'm really pleased about the sculpt. Not very anime in my opinion, but I could be wrong. Right guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you later. Bye.